you. We have a story you must think we're real about the time Jock the Giant left the hills he kenned weel.
The loons and the quines fae primary 4 went up to his hoosie and knocked on the door.
Good morning, Jock. Fit like the day. We have an idea. Fit will we say? Come with us to London to show us our roots. We're invited to Westminster. It's not worth a look.
Och me, I'm not sure about that.
And on his bahookie he subdued and sacked.
Oh, Jock, fit why nay. This will be good fun. It's our airtime, okay?
But London's awful big. There's many cars. I'm used to Benahee, the Peace and the Stars. There's folk rushing away, a real busy tune. I make look like a big giant, but I'm a wee country loon. But I'm up for a challenge. I'll get a go.
We'll jump on the train, but Jock shouted.
No, the train is real fast. It make me sick. Can we now just walk? I can go real quick.
But Jock, tae whack is far too far. The luggage will make it and there's no room in the car.
All aboard! The train is fantush, it's perfect, you'll see. You'll play cards, sing sangs, say muckle to dee.
So after we set our adventure began, thought Jock was nae sure in a bit of a dwam.
I have a question. Far will we bide? I need to put my head down, and I'm too big to hide.
Do not fash yourself, Jock. It's all sorted out. Packed lodge is already, or that ain't no doubt.
But the lodges are cosy. I'm east to my cave, for the animals pass by, and I gave them a wave. Well, I'll get a go, 'cause you're my pals. I'll try something new and reach for the stars.
So we all slept the night, 'cause a rare sleep we had. We woke up full of excitement, and it sure is.
We made our packed lunches, put on our yellow hats. We're allowed to explore London. Jock, are you up for that?
We must get tint. It's nae like my home, for I ken ilka tree stump and the birdies by name.
But we dragged Jock out and we showed him the six. Big Ben, the Trafalgar, the lanterns and lifts. Buckingham Palace, Jock's e'en went to pay. He was wanting a flight up to here with the king.
But next was the best bit, the reason we came. Why we had Jock so far from this cave.
To the Palace of Westminster, they showed them our book. Rishi is waiting us here.
But he's the Prime Minister, an important wee manny. If you can fit your gene, we need to canny.
Och, Jock, did I be feared? It'll be a lift. Pull yourself together. You face a great depth. He's waiting at Westminster for us. We've been sent. We're a famous. We were faces we were kept. So into that office, we were and but the sick was in front of us. It was for bra. She blabbered a wah. He can about Jock, and I'm sure that he's wanting some stripy Jock socks. With the rare time it was, we had a ball. But memories we made will live on, and I saw. Our dream of keeping Vodoric real Kent became real. To London, that's where we went. And Jock came with us. The wifey, the Shire, with Monymusk flag is never flown higher.
Our hearts are new food. Monymusk's on the map. We're Kent in Parliament. We can new talk a nap.
The Doric now safe in the next generation. Jock wants to have a big celebration.
First I had a job to do. Make the story a film, you see. The Doric Film Festival it has to be. And bring home a trophy for you and me.
Och me, we're nae sure about that.
Oh, bairnies, it's why nae.